Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle, despite similar incomes? Have you considered how much your lifestyle choices today impact your financial future? Many young adults fall into the trap of overspending to impress others, neglecting to prioritize savings and investments for their future. What if you could live comfortably now while secretly building a substantial nest egg for the future? How can you adopt a stealth wealth mindset without sacrificing your quality of life? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of stealth wealth, a powerful strategy embraced by the financially savvy among millennials and Gen Z. Forget flashy displays. This is about quiet confidence and lasting financial security. Stick around to learn how simple changes in your financial habits today can lead to significant wealth accumulation tomorrow. Subscribe the Wealthy channel now, and let's dive in. Number 1. The power of minimalism. Imagine working 50-plus hours a week, earning $80,000 a year, and still feeling broke. Sounds familiar? That's the trap of loud living, the opposite of minimalism. In The Millionaire Next Door, Dr. Thomas Stanley revealed that most real millionaires don't drive luxury cars or live in massive homes. They live frugally, invest wisely, and stay low-key. Minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about maximizing freedom and cutting clutter that kills your net worth. Think about it. Every unnecessary item you buy is a silent thief, stealing your time, energy, and financial future. That $300 monthly car lease? It could have been $3,600 a year in an S&P 500 index fund growing at 8%. Most people buy more to feel more, but what they actually get is more stress, more debt, and less freedom. Here's the bitter truth. People chase image over impact. They buy oversized homes, fill them with junk, and then work overtime to maintain it all, ending up in what psychologists call the consumption treadmill. Want to break the cycle? Start by decluttering one drawer. Track your subscriptions. Chances are you're losing over $1,200 per year on things you don't even use. A $200 designer belt depreciates the moment you wear it, but a $200 investment in an ETF could double in 9 years. One makes you look rich. The other actually makes you rich. Number 2. The art of strategic spending. Here's the crazy part. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a spending problem. In fact, many live paycheck to paycheck, not because they don't earn enough, but because their spending is out of alignment with their goals. Strategic spending isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. That $1,500 iPhone upgrade every year? Those weekend parties? Those choices can cost you, which, if invested in a Roth IRA, could grow to $45,000 in a decade. Most people leak money daily, not realizing it's the reason their dreams stay dreams. A college grad named Michael Harris made $50,000 per year and lived like he earned half of it. Instead of upgrading his car, he put that extra $400 per month into dividend-paying stocks. 5 years later, he had a $78,000 investment portfolio and used the passive income to pay off his student loans. Wealth isn't built by how much you earn, but by how smartly you deploy what you keep. Number 3. How quiet money makes loud returns. Let's face it, most people don't invest, they react. They chase trends, meme stocks, and crypto hype, hoping to strike it rich overnight. But wealth isn't built on impulse, it's built on intention. Deliberate investing is the opposite of gambling. It's a patient, calculated system where every dollar you plant has a purpose. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel says, "Wealth is what you don't see." And deliberate investors understand this deeply. They don't show off their investments on Instagram. They let compound interest do the flexing. Want to know what's truly magical? If a 25-year-old invests just $500 per month in a low-cost S&P 500 ETF with an 8% return, they'll have $1.17 million by age 60. That's not luck. That's intention. That's strategy. But here's the kicker. Most people never even start. Here's a simple filter. Before you spend $1, ask, could this be my future freedom fund? A $3,000 luxury item will depreciate. A $3,000 investment can generate $25,000 plus in compound returns over time. One fades, the other multiplies. But investing is only one side. What if there's a way to actually reduce your tax burden legally, freeing up more for stealth wealth? Wait until you hear number 4. Tax efficiency and legal stealth. Let's talk about Neha, a 30-year-old freelancer. On paper, she looks modest, but under the hood, she runs her business from a tax-optimized structure, reinvesting profits into robo-advisors and venture partner networks. Her secret: she's legally paying under 15% effective tax, while most peers pay 25 to 35%. Did you know that structuring your earnings into capital gains versus earned income can slash taxes by up to 50%? And it's fully legal, yet underutilized among Gen Z professionals. Lower taxes mean more capital to invest. That means more compound power, more flexibility, more future. Consult a tax-savvy advisor, set up a small partnership or LLP, and use tax-advantaged accounts. Number 5. Anonymity is the new flex. What if I told you that the real power move isn't showing off your wealth, but hiding it? We live in an age where everyone's chasing attention, Gucci belts, rented Lambos, and look-at-me lifestyles on social media. But the new rich, they're silent, strategic, invisible. Anonymity is the new status symbol. In Die with Zero, Bill Perkins highlights that life's real value isn't in possessions. It's in freedom, experiences, and peace of mind. 62% of millionaires live in neighborhoods where the average home price is under $500,000. Why? Because when no one knows you're rich, you control your narrative. You avoid envy, scammers, and lifestyle inflation. And most importantly, you get to build wealth in peace. If everyone knows you're rich, you're doing it wrong. Let your investments grow in silence and your lifestyle remain optional, not performative. If you look rich, you probably aren't. If you are rich, you don't need to look it. Number 6. Stealth wealth is built in small daily wins, not big one-time moves. Every time you invest $20 instead of impulse buying on Amazon, that's a win. Every time you brew coffee at home instead of dropping $6 at Starbucks, that's a win. These wins may look tiny, but over time, they compound into something powerful. A $10 daily saving invested in a simple index fund with 8% annual return becomes $18,500 in 10 years. Not exciting? Maybe not, but neither is being broke at 45. The stealth wealthy don't chase viral money hacks. They automate wealth through boring consistency. Big mistake people make? Waiting. They wait for a salary hike, a side hustle to explode, or some big opportunity to start saving or investing. Meanwhile, their money slips through leaks. $200 per month on food delivery, $150 on unused subscriptions, and $100 on clothes they don't wear. That's $5,000 per year gone. Want to fix it? Set a rule. Every time you save, you invest. Saved $50 this week? Put it in an ETF. Skipped a dinner out? Add it to your high-yield savings account. You don't need to do everything today. You just need to do something every day. Number 7. Use systems, not willpower. Here's the brutal truth. Willpower is overrated, and the rich know it. Most people rely on motivation to manage money. I'll save when I feel ready, or next month I'll start investing. But by the time motivation kicks in, the paycheck is already gone. The wealthy don't wait for motivation. They build systems that work even when they're lazy, tired, or distracted. That means auto-transferring $200 from checking to investing the day you get paid. It means setting up calendar reminders for budget reviews. These boring, behind-the-scenes actions are what silently build stealth wealth. Want to know the real flex? Earning while you sleep, because your systems never do. Most millennials and Gen Z keep their money goals in their head and hope for the best. But hope is not a financial strategy. Willpower is like a battery. It drains. Systems are like solar panels. They recharge and keep running. You're not here to show off. You're here to build, quietly, intelligently, and freely. If this spoke to you, drop a comment. I choose quiet wealth. Subscribe to Your Wealthy for more truth bombs, smarter strategies, and deeply practical content. And remember, the loudest person in the room is usually the one with the least to show. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.